Hello, students. Today we are going to have another session, mathematics, Form 2 mathematics. And our today's exam is Kinondoni, Bagamoyo, and Kibaha joint pre-national exam, basic mathematics. This is one of the recent exam actually done this year by Form 2 students. So I hope you're going to benefit from our discussion. The instructions of this exam is as follows. The exam has 10 compulsory questions. Our students were supposed to show clearly all the working and answers in the space provided. Also, all writing must be in blue or black ink except the drawing, which must be in pencil. And also mathematical tables, Necta mathematical tables, geometric instruments, and the graph papers may be used. All communication devices and calculators are not allowed in the examination room. And students were supposed to write their assessment number at the top right corner of their answer sheet. So we proceed directly to questions, and here is now question number 1. So question number 1, as you can see it, write each of the numbers 18, 24, and 36 as a product of prime factors, and hence find their lowest common multiples. I think you know the common. We have one of the common method of actually presenting all the three numbers as multiples of prime factors. And so here we go, that we have 18, we have 24, and we have 36. So we are going to break down these numbers using prime factorization method. So you divide 18 by 2, you get 9, you get 12, you get 18. You continue dividing by 2, it is 9, 69. Divided by 2 again, it is 9, 3, 9. Divided by 3 now, you're going to get 3, 1, 3. And the last one, divided by 3, you get 1, 1, 1. So basically, we can now identify the prime factors of which number 18, it is 2 times 3 times 3, which is 2 times 3 square. You have also 24, it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, it is 2 power 3 times 3. You have 36, it is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is 2 square times 3 square. So as you can see, these okay, so 18 has already been expressed as a product of prime factors. The same applied to 24 and 36. And now what is our LCM? LCM now will be product of these numbers, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So you have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. You have 8 times 9, you get 72. So LCM, dear friends, equals to 72. So that is solution for question number 1. You go to question number 1b. Evaluate the value of the expression 5 plus. So we have multiple operations here, and the important part is we have to use BODMAS. I think you know the rule of BODMAS. So you are going to start with the bracket, you are going to open it, and then after that you are going to divide. If there is division, then multiply, add, and then subtract. So starting with the bracket, we can say that this is equal to 5 plus 45 divided by 3 times 2 minus 7, it is -5 square, plus 11 minus 28. You get, when you take 11 minus 28, you get -17. Okay, 11 minus 28, you get -17. Then plus 63 divided by 7. The next step, you are going to divide. So I'm going to have 5 plus 45 divided by 3, you get 15 times, now it is 25. For -5 square is 25 plus -17 plus 63 divided by 7, you get 9, so plus 9. So next, you're going to take 15 times 25, you get actually 5 now plus 375 plus 9 minus 17. The result is, we take 389 minus 17, the answer is 372. So after evaluation of this expression, the final result is 372. We go to next question. Rehema spent 2/5 of her salary on food and 1/4 of the remaining for other expenditure. If she remained with 180,000 shilling, find her salary. So first of all, we are going to let XC be her salary. Let X be her salary. Then after that, we're going to say that she spent 2/5 of her salary on food, and then 1/4 of the remaining. The remaining here is actually XC minus 2/5 XC. So 1/4 of the remaining. Now 1/4 of this remaining was on other expenditures, and then remained 180. So 180 remained, and the final result is expected to be her salary. So we open the bracket. You have 2/5 XC plus 3/5. 3/5 times 1/4, you get 3/20 XC plus 180,000 equals to X. When you add here, you get, actually multiply by, you have common denominator here, or we can just, okay, we have common denominator here, it is 20. So by 20 it is 4 times 2, you get 8. So 8x plus 3x plus 180,000 equals to X. So what is the result? The result here now is 180,000 equals to XC minus 11/20X. Okay, and what we get here, you have 9x/20 equals to 180,000. So XC will be equal to 180,000 multiplied by 20 divided by 9. So you can simplify. By 9 it is 1, by 9 here it is 20. So the value of XC, the salary required, it is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 200. Wait just a minute. So by 9, yeah, it was 20,000 times 20,000 times 20, you get 400,000 shilling. So it means the salary of this colleague here, the salary of Rehema was 400,000 shilling. So that is question number 2A. We go to question number 2B. Estimate the value of this expression. We're supposed to estimate now the value of this expression. 13.52, this can be approximately equal to 14. 0.0812 can be estimated to be 0.08. So now 13.52 divided by 0.0812 is approximately equals to 14 divided by, or let me continue, divided by 0.08 equals to 14 over 0.08 multiply by 100, multiply by 100 again, you get it is 1400 divided by 8. So when you take 1400 divided by 8, the result is 175. So therefore you can say that 13.52 divided by 0.0812 is approximately equal to 175. So that is solution for question number 2B. We continue with the question number 3B. Question number 3B, here it is. A container holds 40 liters of milk. If 80 bottles of milk are needed to fill the container, how many milliliters of milk does each bottle hold? So we know that 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so having 40 liters, this is actually equivalent to 40,000 milliliters. Now, one bottle if 80 bottles of milk are needed to fill the container, how many liters of milk does each bottle have? So actually we are going to take 40,000 milliliters. You're going to divide it by number of bottles we have, which is 80. You're going to say that 0 goes by 81 by 8 here, it is 500. So you get 500 actually milliliters per bottle. Milliliters per bottle. So it means that one bottle is equivalent to 500 milliliters. Yeah, that's how we were supposed to solve the question. Question number 2B part 1. 2B part 1. By selling an article for 500 shilling, Ali got a loss of 2%. Find the selling price to make a profit of 5%. So actually 500 shilling, this amount is equivalent to only 98% of the buying price. And now what will be the selling price if there was a profit of 5%. If the profit was 5%, it means now 105% will be the selling price. So we are looking for selling price. Our selling price, by the way, is XC. So XC is a selling price, or I can just term it here as selling price. Okay, new selling price. Now we are going to say that selling price equals to 500 shilling times 105% divided by 98%. You can simplify, cancel percentages and percentages, and the result now is you're going to take 500 multiply by 105, then you divide it by 98, and the result is 535.71 Tanzanian shilling. We go to question number 3B, part 2. Find the value of x. Here the question. If 3x minus 2 is less than 5, find the value of x if x is whole number. So we are going to take 3x minus 2 is less than 5. So 3x is less than 5 plus 2. We took 2 to the other side. It means 3x is less than 7 divided by 3. So x is less than, you take 7 divided by 3, you get 2.33. Okay, but we are told that x is whole number. So if x is whole number, it means the value of x will be equal to 0, 1, 2. All these are the values of x. We continue with question number 4. Question number 4a, the exterior angle of a certain regular polygon is 2/3 of the interior angle. So interior angle, call it x, let x be the exterior angle. Okay, so the exterior angle is 2/3 of interior angle. I can say, okay, let x be interior angle, it will be much better. Interior angle, so we can say that exterior angle, now exterior angle will be 2/3 of the interior angle. Find the number of sides of regular polygon. You're supposed to find number of sides, but we know that interior angle x plus exterior angle 2/3 x result is supposed to be 180 degree. So you have 5x/3 equals to 180. X will be 180 times 3/5. Result equals to 180 divided by 5. You get 108. So because we know now one interior angle, we have two ways. Actually, I'm going to opt only one way of solving now for number of side of the polygon. We know that exterior angle equals to 360 divided by number of side. This is the one of the formulas you can use. So the exterior angle is 2/3 let us go here. The exterior angle is 2/3 times 180. 2/3 times x, which is 108, equals to 360/n. And because we are looking for value of n, we can say that n now will be equal to 360 divided by 2 times 108 multiplied by 3. So you're going to simplify there. 360 multiplied by 3, you divide it by 108 divided by 2, and you get number of side equals to 5. So that is one way of getting number of side of the regular polygon. But also there is another approach. We can use another approach, and here we are, that you take 180 times n minus 2 divided by n equals to interior angle. Okay, and the interior angle, it was 108. So I'm going to say 180 n minus 2 over n equals to 108. So 180 n minus 2 times 180 to 360 equals to 108 n. So you subtract, you take 180 n minus 108. Okay, you get equals to 36, 0. You have 72n equals to 360. When you divide by 72, you get n equals to 5. So you either use the interior angle method or the exterior angle method. So that is all. Number of side of given polygon is actually 5, and that is pentagon. We go to another question. Question number 4b. The following in the following figure ABC, AC is 8 centimeter. If AC is 8 centimeter, so here is 4 centimeter, and here is 4 centimeter. BD 10 centimeter, so BO will be 5 centimeter, and there 5 centimeter. Determine its area. So we are going to use actually area equals to area of ABCD will be area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. And now the area will be equal to a half times 10 times 4. We just multiply by 2 because they are equal, actually, those two triangles, and the result is 40 centimeter square. Therefore, area of ABCD is 40 centimeter square. We go to another question. We go to question number 5a. Question number 5a. Solve the equation 3x squared minus 22x plus 7 by completing the square method. So by completing the square, here is how we are going to solve the question. First of all, you're going to take, the equation 3x squared minus 22x plus 7 equals to 0. Then take 7 to the other side. So 3x squared minus 22x equals to negative 7. Then divide by 3. Divide by 3 both sides by 3. Then we have x squared minus 22 over 3x equals to negative 7 over 3. Okay, we proceed. Now we are going to add b over 2a squared, so that we are going to make this expression here, a perfect square. So actually what we are going to add here, it is b, which is negative 22 over 3 times 2. So it is 11. We are adding actually 11 over 3 square both sides. So it is x squared minus 22 over 3x minus now 11 over 3 square equals to negative 7 over 3 plus negative 11 over 3 square. Okay, now when we deal with it, you're going to see that we have now x minus 11 over 3 square equals to negative 7 over 3 plus 121 over 9. We continue. You're going to say that x squared, we're going to say x minus 11 over 3 square equals to common denominator, it is 9. So I'll be negative 21 plus 121. There you go. 21 plus 121 over 9. And so actually we are going to have x minus 11 over 3 square equals to 100 over 9. The next step, we are going to take under root both sides with plus or minus. So we have x minus 11 over 3 equals to 10 over 3. X will be plus or minus, will be 11 over 3 plus or minus 10 over 3. So you take addition. It means x will be either 10 plus 10, 10 plus 11, 21 over 3, or 11 minus 10, you get 1 over 3. The final result, dear students, is x equals to 7 or 1 over 3. So that is solution of a given equation. Thank you. We continue with question number 5b. We continue with question number 5b. So question number 5b, if the product of two consecutive odd numbers is 15, find the two numbers. The product of two consecutive odd numbers. Okay, so if the first number is x, let me say, let the first number be x. So if the first number is x, then the next number will be x plus 2, and the result is 15. So here we go. We have x squared plus 2x equals to 15. x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. We can just factorize by splitting the middle term. It is x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. x plus 5 minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. x plus 5 x minus 3 equals to 0. And the result now, as you can see, we have x plus 5 equals to 0, or x minus 3 equals to 0, x is negative 5, or x equals to 3. And that is solution. By the way, now we have to go back to the question. The question said, find the numbers. Because we are talking of two consecutive odd numbers, actually, if the first number is x is 3, then another number is 3 plus 2, which is 5, of course. So the numbers are 3 and 5. We ignore negative because odd numbers, we are not talking of integers. So that is question number 5a. We go to question number 6a. A line passing through the point 2, 3 and has a gradient of 8. Find the equation of the line. So remember the equation of the line is given by y equals to mx minus x1 plus y1. And you know that x1, y1, these are any points, and for our case is 2, 3. So the equation will be y equals to gradient 8 x minus 2 plus 3. So y will be 8x minus 16 plus 3. And the final equation will be y equals to 8x minus 13. Question number 6a part 2, y-intercept. Y-intercept, we say from y equals to mx plus c. When you compare now, you know that c is y-intercept. C is y-intercept. And when you compare, you're going to realize that actually y-intercept, c, which is y-intercept, equals to negative 13. Negative 13 is our y-intercept. Question number 6b. Find the image of point. The image of point negative 3, 4 when reflected along the line y equals to negative x. So when you do reflection along line y equals to negative x, we know that P image and reflection in the line y equals to negative x. So actually when we reflect point x comma y, the result will be negative y comma negative x. So it means P negative 3 comma 4 will be reflected and the line y equals negative x, and the product and the image will be negative 4 comma 3. So that is the image. And the translation 2 units to the left and 5 units upward. So now we have point P negative 3 comma 4 and the translation factor, which is negative 2 comma 5, So what will be px comma y? So px comma y will be px comma y will be equal to xc plus -2 for our case, 5 plus y, and the result is going to be equal to here we go. Now we're going to say that p dash will be p dash x comma y will be equal to -3 minus 2 comma 5 plus 4. The result is -5,9. Yeah. Thank you very much, dear students. We are coming to the end of the first session. We will continue with the remaining 3 questions in the upcoming session. Thank you very much. I hope the discussion was beneficial to you.